Welcome to the Grab Bag, or random collection of useful hacks. This video contains a bunch of quick lessons on various topics, with each lesson being between 30 seconds and 1 minute long. Let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Here is how you add a spinner box to a cell in Excel. First, turn on the Developer tab by choosing File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and check the box where it says Developer tab. From the Developer tab, choose Insert Spin Box, and then click and drag to create it. From there, right-click on the spinner box, choose Format Control. In the Link to Cell area, click on your target cell, click OK, click away from the spinner box. Now, if you click on the up and down arrows, the numbers will change. Here's how to create a scrolling chart in Excel. First, set up your column headings and have 12 rows that will eventually show 1 year's worth of data. Next, in a cell of your choice, type the number 1, since it will serve as an anchor and a conduit between our data and the chart. Next, time for the magic move. Use the index function to pull in the dates from your source, and for the row number, click on the cell with the number 1 and press F4 to make it absolute. From there, drag the formula down and you should see 1 year worth of data. From there, do a rinse and repeat for the other columns, just adjust the formula appropriately. Next, add a chart by selecting your data and choosing Insert Chart Line Graph. Next, from the Developer tab, add a scroll bar control by doing a click and drag. From there, right-click on the control, then choose Format Control and set the current value to 1, minimum value to 1, and in the cell link area, click on the number 1. Now, if you click on the arrows, the chart will change. Boss wants you to round these times up to the nearest 15 minutes. What do you do? In this case, we'll use the ceiling function. The ceiling function rounds a number up to the nearest designated multiple. The cool thing is it understands time. Here's how it works. Type equal, ceiling, open parentheses, click your target cell, type a comma, open quote, 0:15, close quote, close paren. From here, we can double click down. If we get some funky numbers, that's okay. Just select them, apply time format, and we're done. This one might haunt you sometimes. Let's say you do a data import and for whatever reason, Excel is giving you an error about how your numbers are stored as text. Now this can be aggravating. So a quick way to fix this is to type the number 1 in a blank cell, then copy it. From there, highlight the cells with the error message, and then go up here and choose Paste, Paste Special, Multiply. Excel will work its magic, and the error is gone. Here are 4 ways to create links in Excel. You can link cell to cell, sheet to sheet, file to file, and app to app. Let's see how it's done. To link to a cell, click where you want the link to live, then press equal, click your target cell, press enter, and the cells are linked. To link sheet to sheet, go to the sheet you want the link to live on, type an equal sign, then go back to your source, click your target cell, press enter, and now you have a link across sheets. To link file to file, first open both files, then click View, Arrange All, Tiled. This will place your files next to each other. From there, type an equal sign in your destination file, then go back to your source file, click on a cell, press your Enter key, and now you have a link across files. To link app to app, let's say Excel to PowerPoint, first copy what you want, then go to PowerPoint and choose Paste, Paste Special, Paste Link, click OK. Now, when your source data changes, it will update in PowerPoint. One word of caution, if you create links across an app, make sure the source file doesn't move because things will not cooperate. Sorry, just trying to help. Is this Excel's most underused feature? It's the quick analysis, since it gives you access to conditional formatting, creating charts, calculations, tables, and sparklines. Let's check it out. First, select your data. Then, click this icon in the lower right corner. Oh, check that out. Need some conditional formatting? Here you go. By chance you need a chart, you can get those as well. If you need some calculations like sum, average, running totals, or percentage, Quick Analysis has that for you too. Hot and fresh. What's that? You need a table or pivot table? We got you covered. And let's top things off by adding some sparklines. So there is your Quick Analysis. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Do you like it? Are you using it? Is it time to replace match, index, and XLOOKUP for two-way referencing? Let's find out. Another way to do two-way lookups is to use name ranges along with the spacebar. Here's how it works. First, select your cells. Then, from the Formulas tab, click Create from Selection. You can verify the name ranges have been created by clicking on the name manager, as you can see here. Now, let's do our cross-reference. Start by typing an equal sign, then we'll type our first name range, press the space bar, then the second name range, press enter, and there you go. Let's rewind and see that one more time. Type an equal sign, type your name range, then press the space bar, followed by your second name range, and there it is. So, does this replace the match index and XLOOKUP functions? Let me know your thoughts. Ever need to show someone a formula you've created? Or perhaps you've seen a tutorial video where they type a formula and it magically appears completely written out in another cell. Here's how it's done. You want to use a function called formula text, which returns the formula you'd see if you look in the formula bar. Here's an example. Here we have some very basic functions, and to use the formula text, we type this: equal formula text, click on our target cell, press enter. That's pretty much it. But wait, we're not done yet. Sometimes when you use this function, it will display an annoying error message. Oh, that's not right. So here's one way you can fix it. You want to nest the formula text within an if error function. To do this, we can cruise up to the formula bar and then click in between the equal and the function name, then type out if error, open parentheses, don't touch the function we just created. Click on the far right-hand side, type a comma, and in this case, we'll do 2 quotes. Close the parentheses, press enter, drag it down, and we are all set. Here's how to quickly format tables in Excel. A simple way is to press Alt-O-A, and from there, choose the format you want. By chance you can't remember that shortcut, you can add the icon to the Quick Access toolbar by clicking the drop arrow, then choosing More Commands, switch to All Commands, scroll down, look for the Auto Format, add it, click OK, and now you can use the icon to format your tables. Boss says, show me these times to the nearest half hour. What do? Use the mRound function. The mRound rounds to the nearest value, up or down, given the multiple provided. The cool thing is, it works with time. Here's how it's done. Click your cell and type equal, mRound, open parentheses, click on target cell, type a comma, open quote, 0:30, close quote, close paren. Copy the formula down. If you get funky numbers, that's okay. Just select them, apply a time format, and you're all done. Boss wants you to change the color of these cells to something different. Uh-oh, what do you do now? Well, one way is to use the find and replace. Here's how it works. Click find, then replace, then format, choose format from cell, click the cell you want to change. From there, select the replacement color, then click replace all, and there you have it. All right, and that'll do it. Now, before you go, feel free to check out some of these other awesome tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment below. Don't be shy about using that like and share button, and we will see you next time.